Hey guys, I am Subha and in this video I will be showing you how I quickly find low content book ideas using Titans Pro. Titans Pro is a Chrome extension from self-publishing titles. You can see I have just found a niche, that is Composition Graph Notebook 9.75. You can see the demand is 6 and the opportunity score is 9. There are only 235 competing products for that exact keyword phrase. There is no exact match on the first page and there is only 3 individually published books. Average bestseller rank is 228 and lowest is 405 and the highest is 1.3 million. Average reviews are 854 and the average price is 17.39. So the next niche is Composition Graph Notebook. That was Composition Graph Notebook 9.75 and that is Composition Graph Notebook only. So the results are 2429 exactly. There is no exact match and there are 20 individually published books and the average BSR is 218,000. Average reviews are 2200. Average price is 11.19. So basically I use Chrome extension called Titans Pro. The link is in the description below. It also has free version so you can check out in the description below. Once installed and log into my extension, I just go to amazon.com, change the zip code to US, simply type a beginning keyword or phrase like composition. While by typing this composition in the search bar, Titans Pro quickly loads the results. If it doesn't load, you can click on the extension. So you can also sort by search results from lower to higher, like to find these niches really fast. We are aiming at the keyword that has sufficient search volume but lower number of search results. You can see there is Composition Books Wide Rule Pecon. It could be a brand name. There are a lot of keywords, but I actually find these without using any filter. Simply type this into the search bar of Amazon and wait for the extension to load. Once the extension loads the results, you can check out the keywords with lowest number of search results, like Composition Notebook Wide Rule Purple. It also has lower search results, but it also has very low search volume, so we may not go with that. You can also see other keywords. Composition Notebook Wide Rule 100 pages. It has decent search volume and a lower search results. Here is our, you can keep scrolling. You can see Composition Notebook Bulk 24 pack, 100 pack, Bulk, College Rule, half page. You can also sort by opportunity scores, higher to lower. You can see that was our keyword. Composition Graph Notebook 9.75. Demand is 6 and the opportunity score is 9. That is good one. Then is Composition Graph Notebook 5x5. Demand is okay and the opportunity score is good one. Again, there are 1476 search volume and 7488 search result. That could be very good keyword as well. And then is Composition Notebook Wide Rule. That's good niche as well. Here are Composition Graph Notebook. That is good keyword. Composition Books half page. Then is Composition Notebook College Rule. It is good keyword as well. Composition Books Wide Rule Blue could be good one. Composition Notebook College Rule. So this is the process. Simply install this extension. It can give you free uses as well. To see the real power of this extension, you need to upgrade. So simply type composition and wait for the extension to load results. You can also use the second extension called Titan Quick View to further see this data that is showing in the separate window. This is the process I quickly find niche ideas for my low content and medium content books. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.